Divorce settlements are meant to be fair, ensuring both parties receive a share of matrimonial assets. However, some spouses attempt to hide money or assets to reduce the amount they'll have to share. In this video, we will walk through how to identify financial red flags and the legal steps that you can take to uncover hidden assets. I'm Paul Britton, a family solicitor based in London, Mayfair. I have over 10 years of experience in the legal field, and I represent clients that want the best legal support. In the UK, both parties in a divorce must provide full and frank financial disclosure as part of the divorce settlement process. This includes income, bank accounts, property, pensions, investments, business assets, as well as debts. If your spouse fails to disclose assets properly or intentionally misrepresents their finances, they are committing fraud, which could have serious legal consequences. One of the most common red flags is unexpected withdrawals from joint bank accounts or large cash transfers that cannot be accounted for. Another indication could be a sudden drop in reported income, especially if your spouse is self-employed or runs a business where they have control over the financial records. If you notice any of these behaviours, it is critical to gather as much evidence as possible before taking legal action. Keeping track of financial statements, messages, and suspicious transactions can help build a strong case when challenging financial disclosure. In complex legal cases, it may be necessary to bring in experts to help track down hidden money. A forensic accountant can examine financial records for signs of undisclosed income, hidden bank accounts, or suspicious transactions. These professionals have expertise in assessing business finances to ensure that profits are not being manipulated to reduce the reported value of the company. If it is proven that your spouse has hidden money or assets, there are several legal options available to ensure that you receive your fair share of the matrimonial estate. The court can adjust the financial settlement in your favour, awarding you a greater proportion of the known assets to compensate you for the dishonesty. In some cases, financial proceedings may even be reopened even if a divorce settlement has already been agreed upon, if new evidence comes to light that shows hidden assets. Honesty is a key principle in financial settlements, and those who attempt to manipulate the process may find themselves with an outcome that is far worse than if they had disclosed their finances properly from the beginning. If you suspect that your ex-partner is hiding money during a divorce, you do not have to accept an unfair settlement. By recognising red flags, gathering evidence, and using legal tools such as court disclosure orders and forensic accountants can ensure that you receive what you are legally entitled to. If you need help uncovering hidden assets or securing a fair financial settlement, Britton and Time Solicitors can provide expert legal guidance. Contact us today, discuss your case, and ensure that you receive your fair share of the matrimonial estate.